Cash Giraffe rewards players by tracking gameplay time inside supported mobile games. So the games that pay the most are usually the ones where you can keep playing and collecting coins consistently. By the end, you'll know how Cash Giraffe game rewards work, what types of games usually earn more coins, and how to choose games that give you the best chance of earning rewards. The first thing to understand is that Cash Giraffe does not pay the same amount for every game. Each game has its own reward system, and the number of coins you earn depends on how much time you spend playing and whether you complete the available game activities. The highest earning games are usually the ones that keep you engaged for longer periods. Strategy games, puzzle games, simulation games, and other games with many levels often appear because they give you more opportunities to continue playing. The first way to improve your earnings is to check the reward details before installing a game. Open Cash Giraffe. Look at the available games and compare which ones offer rewards that match your playing style. A game with a high reward does not always mean it is the best choice. If you stop playing after a few minutes because you do not enjoy it, you may earn fewer coins than a game you actually continue using. The second way is to focus on games that give you steady progress. Games with frequent level completion, regular tasks, or simple gameplay loops can make it easier to keep earning coins over time. The third way is to avoid switching between too many games at once. When you start a new game through Cash Giraffe, consistent play helps you understand whether that game is worth your time. Keep in mind that Cash Giraffe rewards can change because available games, offers, and coin values may be updated. A game that ranks highly today may not have the same reward tomorrow. Before spending hours on any game, check that Cash Giraffe is tracking your activity correctly. If your coins are not increasing, verify that the game was installed through the app and that tracking permissions are enabled. The best Cash Giraffe games are not always the ones with the biggest looking rewards. They are the ones that you can actually play consistently, while the app correctly tracks your progress. To summarize, focus on games with longer play potential, check rewards before installing, and make sure tracking works from the start. Tracking works from the start. Your next step is to open Cash Giraffe, compare the available games, and choose one that fits your playing habits. If this guide helped, subscribe for more app earning guides and fixes.